Hello everybody, Seth K Bani here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert images and JPG images into PNG online. Let's step into any browser that you have. I am using Avast browser, and so I want you to use this particular website, Freepik. That's where you're going to get our images from free. And then I want you to type whatever you're looking for over here. I'm going to type Africa and I'm going to click on this. Now on your left side, you're going to have your filters. I want you to choose free. This way you're going to get all your images for free like this. And you can see we have assorted images here. These are all African theme images and they are quality, guys, really quality. Now I'm going to pick this because it resonates with what I want to do. I'm going to click on it and then wait for it to open. And you can see we have download here. We also have edit online. I'm going to click edit online. So there is it. It is loading. Now we're going to have this page. At your left side, we have the panel edit image. We have the ability to crop it, replace it, remove PNG, separate it. Now you can also flip it like this or flip it this way depending on how you want it. Okay, remember you can always flip it. And then once you are done, you can just come to remove background and then it will remove the background for you. So it removed the background nicely and you can see everything looks quite great. You can see it just removed it really well. And I can come to download and then choose JPEG. You can choose PDF and then PNG, and you can click on PNG because PNG is the one that's going to give us the background removed. And you can also boost the size here. When you boost the size, it also affects the the image size overall. And so I'm going to leave it at 3 times and I'll click on download, and there's the download in progress. All right guys, so now you can see there is it. It's also downloading over here. Really quality, right? Really quality. Now guys, there is it. You can see the size is 14 megabyte. This is really huge. So guys, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. I don't want you to miss out on my next video. See you in the next one.